What's up guys, Thomas McIntosh with Macintosh Trading, and today I'm bringing you guys a video. Today we're going to be talking about my top 5 trading rules, or just kind of 5 trading rules in general to help you guys trade emotionally better instead of just kind of getting used to the charts, but this will help you get emotionally better at trading. So let's hop right into it. First up, I just want to talk about market themes. Themes in the market, they can come and go really fast. One day we might be hot with like Bitcoin stocks. The next day we might be hot with, say, oil stocks or something like that. Or like this last week or so, we've been hot with bio stocks. Any stock that's a bio that's had news in pre-market, or like that has had like a sympathy run off something else, they've ran more than what they normally would run in like a normal, say, like a normal boring market. And that may be part of the reason because the S&P 500 has been dropping, and a lot of times when the S&P 500 drops, the safe haven of stocks is bios. But right now, that's just a theme. The other theme from the last week, just to use as an example, would be the low float SPACs that have been running. Those are an example of a theme that you just need to kind of follow and make sure that you're trading within the theme, because if something's hot, you want to be trading it, and if something's not, you probably are in the wrong area. And just knowing when to trade within a theme will help you make more money over the long run. Next up, we have patience. Patience doesn't just relate to exits. It also relates to entries. Sometimes there might be nothing to play, and sometimes there might be tons of stuff to play, but you need to really focus and make sure that you're waiting for a proper play that's worth your time, worth your money, because you shouldn't be risking money unless the play is absolutely worth it for you. So in my opinion, I personally wait and wait and wait until like there's a great play. I'm not going to sit there and alert like 10 different things to my Discord daily, because there's not 10 different plays daily. There might be 1 or 2 or 3 quality plays that I think, okay, this is worth people putting their money into. And sometimes all of them work, sometimes they don't. But those are the quality plays that I personally think are available. Next up, number 3, we have trusting the trade. This is something I tell my Discord a lot because it's just really important. Like, you should know and trust why you're in a specific trade, and if you don't, then why are you in it? I know I posted this on Twitter a little bit this weekend, but it's just really important to know why you're in a trade and to trust why you're in the trade, because if you don't even know why you're in it, then there's no point in you being in it. And if you don't trust that that stock is going to do what you want it to do, then why would you be in that stock? Get out and move on to the next one. And that just goes again with the patience. If there's something that you're in but you're only in it just to be in something, there's no point in doing that. You might as well get the heck out of that one and then just focus on something that's worth your time. Next up, we have just kind of talking about screen time, and screen time is super important. Say the market's boring, your one play of the day could be at a random time throughout the day. It could just be a one play that comes and goes super quick, but it's just really important to be at the screen and if you're specifically a day trader, you just want to be at the screen and make sure you're watching it, checking your scanners, checking the news, checking what's happening, because your one play of the day could come and go within like a couple minutes, a couple seconds. It just kind of depends, but that could be your money maker of the day. And so just being at the screen and being ready to play that is really important. If you're a swing trader, obviously screen time is, and you still want to be at the screen time. You still want to be at the screen just to make sure that you are there for any potential plays and any potential new swings that you could be looking for, because you never know. There might be some stupid news that comes out that gives you a dip entry, or some stupid news that makes it run, especially when we're playing small caps. But it's just really important to be at the screen and be watching stocks and knowing and learning and just constantly reviewing trades, just making sure that you are constantly working on yourself and just making sure that you know what you're doing. Lastly, we just have a big one. This is something that has taken me a long time to learn, and it's literally super simple, but this can save your account so much. To people with like lower valued accounts, once you get to higher value accounts, please make sure to follow this one. And that is, if you do take a big loss one day, just walk away. Like, walk away for at least an hour. And potentially don't even trade anything the rest of the day. I know some people set their accounts to where if they lose a certain amount, their account won't let them trade anymore. And I don't personally do that. I honestly should, because there's been some times where I take a big loss and then I just try to keep making it back, and it ends up digging myself deeper and deeper and deeper into a hole. I have a whiteboard right up here, and I actually have it like in big bold letters: if you take a big loss, walk away, even if it's just for 15 minutes. But this one's just really important because say you take a big loss, your brain is already thinking, okay, I've been on fire. How did I take a big loss? How do I make this loss back? But that's just going to continue to dig you deeper, because you're going to go heavier size than what you're usually doing. You're going to try to make that loss back quick, and it's just not smart. Big losses are going to happen. Small losses are going to happen. You just have to make sure that you minimize those losses and keep grinding up. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, retweet it on Twitter. Just get this video around. I'm going to be bringing out one new video a day for this week, hopefully. I am moving to Nashville, Tennessee in 2 weeks now, so I have a new monitor coming in, and I have some new other stuff for my trading setup. But if you guys do want to join our Discord, I will leave a discount code down below for you guys. 15% off your first month or your first year if you sign up. We have live alerts, we have a news scanner, a live market scanner, and just a great group of people. So if you guys want to be a part of that, the link will be down below. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.